Oh my God! Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, how you doing? In this video, we're going to take my Traxxas TRX-4, which is running on a Castle Mamba X combo system, and I'm running the thing on 6S. This thing goes like a rocket. My goal is to get this thing up to 60 mile an hour. It's probably going to go nowhere near that today because we're doing it on grass. We've got some big balloony tyres on there, but it's a goal that we've got to try and get it there. Also, guys, I've just finished my Kev's RC Basher School, and I'm going to put a link to that down below. And it's kind of like an ongoing project, so it's not finished. I'm always going to keep adding to this to make it better and better and better. So check the link down below, guys. Let me know what you think. All right, let's get to the video. We're going to be putting 6S LiPo into TRX-4. Then we're going to do a speed run and see how fast it goes. Try it first on these tyres, and then if it doesn't work on these, we might give these a go. Hello? Alright, so we've got the GPS mounted on the back here, and luckily if we turn it upside down we can see how fast it was going. So I'm just going to get Steve to set it up because I don't know how.
No. That's a 2S.
6S, baby! What speed does everybody reckon it's going to do?
It's got to be an easy 50.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon you might get 60.
What do you reckon?
60.
What do you reckon?
I reckon it'll fall over at 40.
I want to hit 60, but I'm kind of guessing it's not going to go anywhere near it. Oh, I've jumped out of bloody gear again. Alright, so this whole thing needs a rebuild, and this servo I think's had it, so it keeps jumping out of gear. So cable tie, and we're back in action.
Just now got no bars.
Ready? Oh!
Touched it, it's just close.
There you go, 60 mile an hour crawler. Well, first of all, we've got to make sure that the tracking is straight. Oh my God! Is it still on?
No, 9 miles an hour. Mine registered.
Oh.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh no! Killed it! Oh, it's all hanging out the bottom. Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Anyway, what speed did we get? 27.4, nowhere near 60. What happened? It broke the axle, but the GPS stayed on.
27.4.
Oh, so we only got to half to what we planned.
Yeah. Well, first try. Let's.
Yeah, I mean, I've got a spare of this at home.
Yeah.
Not here. Oh, I've lost the bottom of the shock.
Yeah.
Oh, as you see, they just came in.
Oh, what happened?
Killed it.
Oh no!
Hang on. Fixed it.
Fixed it! I cut you up, bruv.
Yeah. Yeah, broken that end as well.
Yeah. What happens when you go backwards?
You'd probably be right if you could do like a controlled reverse wheelie.
Yeah.
Just try and keep it like that, yeah? Yeah.
Come on, Crawler, you can make it back to the pit lane. Oh, come on, you can make it back to over there. There we go.
Why am I not surprised?
I could do a burnout. Oh! Uh-oh! What happened, Stephen? I think... alright, we're going to put it away now.
So you're getting it now.
Well, it's just got it. Next! Alright guys, that's it for this video. I've got to get this crawler to go 60 miles an hour. When I first put this crawler together, I kind of said to myself, it's got to clear the first jump at the BMX track, which it clears by like 2 or 3 times over. It has to backflip off of a tree, which it can do multiple times. It can even do standing backflips. And the other goal out of this crawler was so it can do 60 miles an hour. I'll be happy to get it to 50, but really 60 is the goal. So guys, I'm not going to quit until I get to that goal. So keep watching these videos, guys. We're going to try another round. We're going to try it on tarmac. And we're going to try some different tyres on there, see if we can get it faster and faster and faster. But I don't care what it takes, guys. We're going to get this crawler up to 60 miles an hour. Alright, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Smash that bell button to stay notified. Subscribe. You know what you got to do, guys. Just go down there and do all that stuff what you got to do. Alright, guys. See you soon. Bye.